Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to another video. Today is, I don't know. Okay, anyways, I'm actually going to the beach with my aunt. We are in NorCal though, so this is my fit.
Do you have a problem with tomatoes?
She does. The mango one was pretty good.
Stop crying, man. We're leaving, Luna. We're leaving. Chill.
Look at all the pretty flowers. This is the setup we got going. Rebecca wants to take Luna on a walk because she's acting crazy. She needs to release that energy. And the girls want to go touch the water.
Yeah. Good girl.
Oi!
Okay, my turn.
Oi! ¿Todavía tiene la de piña? ¿Sí me puede dar una de piña? Good morning. It is Thursday. It's 1:18. I'm gonna respond back to some emails. I'm gonna do a unboxing at the end of the week on my TikTok. So if you're not following me on TikTok already, what are you doing and how the hell did you find me? Okay. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready.
I'm ready. It's always no me. I'm just kidding.
Feel me.
Little boy on TikTok. Okay, we played, we touched the water, we ate, we chilled. We're gonna go now.
We work. Dude, do I look freaking skinny or what? Follow me. What am I using? Anyways.
I'll put it right here. Looks like zapateado. Do it, try it. What are you doing?
Hey.
Nope. Okay guys, it's 8:35. I still haven't showered. Feel kind of gross, kind of don't care. I was busy making myself a pizza and I kind of went a little overboard. Thing's huge. I can already see it looks kind of doughy and not really bready. But that was my fault because lately I've been so lazy que nada más de tanteo, so I make my dough like with no measurements. You like my shirt? If you don't, happy Friday! I'm peeling garlic, as you can see. It's Friday, so no se come carne. I'm gonna do a seafood boil for my fam. My sister's coming home from college to visit and she wanted seafood, so we're gonna do seafood. It's done! Ooh. Oh my gosh, my under eyes make my face look so white. Okay, we're going to T-Palms and then we're gonna go to Target. I'm here? Yeah. Okay guys, we got our T-Palms. I forgot to record.
Oh yeah.
He played.
I already said hey yo
Good
girl.
times.
Yeah.
Oh, like that one.
Good
That one.
No, it was, but that one's like a different version.
Oh, this one's
That one is too. Oh yeah, that is fast.
only $9.55. We just got out of Target.
Okay, guys, we're gonna run errands today.
Can we smack so hard though?
Gluten-free. Sprouts, Trader Joe's. That's it?
No, I want to go like Food Max, no?
Oh, and Food
Oh yeah. Oh no.
I want number 30.
You think that people will say that this is not
We came to the mall.
buy some new. You want to do a gluten-free haul for them?
It's a lot. Oh look, I found gluten-free kind of cookies.
They didn't have those before. Homegirl is gluten-free.
Everything bagels.
Not by choice though.
Some gluten-free pancakes. Some chocolate chip bites. These are good. Oat bites. Chocolate chip cookies.
So if you gotta be gluten-free or you want to be gluten-free.
And then these are just like good chips.
Apparently my parents want me to do brunch tomorrow, so oh my gosh. I have to make a list of what we do have, and then tomorrow in the morning I have to go buy the stuff that we don't have for brunch before actually making brunch. And it's already 1:30. Good morning, my people. I'm about to take my Eddie to work. It's 7:12. You see that right there? That was about to be a house fire. And I know I say that very lightly, but that was a very serious situation for me. Definitely a learning lesson. I'm not gonna cry. Kind of want to cry just thinking about it because my parents aren't here yet, and I'm not gonna cry. But my parents aren't home yet. I was making breakfast, and my siblings were asleep. And my dumbass, okay, learn from me. If you're gonna cook anything that releases oil or anything with oil, put it in a pan that's not flat, okay? Basically, all the grease that the bacon released went down, and the oil got really hot, started boiling, boiled to a fire, and there was a literal fire in my oven, and you should have seen. I freaked the fuck out. I didn't put water. My first instinct was like throw water on it to turn it off, but then I was like, water and oil, you're not supposed to do that. So if that happens, if you get an oil fire, a grease fire, don't put water on it. I just looked it up. You're supposed to put salt or baking soda. It will turn it off. Obviously, if it gets big enough, call 911, but that didn't happen, thank God. But yeah, that was really scary. I literally thought the whole house was about to burn down, and I did not give a shit. Only thing I cared about was getting my siblings out because I was like so scared that I just kept picturing the house exploding. That'll be a great, fun little story to tell my parents when they come home.
This one's mine.
Nayeli gets on her lunch break at 12:15 in 10 minutes. So I'll just be here waiting. Messed up again. This was a great opportunity to be reading my book, and I didn't bring my book. We was chatting it up when she was here, so I didn't record, but she's leaving.
I made her bring me the tea pumps again. What happened?
It was the same guy.
Oh no.
And then he was like...
Did he recommend you?
He did. Chaz.
Cheers, mate. What the fuck? Yeah, like that.
I'm gonna have a mimosa. I've literally been wanting to have a mimosa all day. I just kept having to drive, so. Cheers, my people. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. See you later.